We're going to turn now to that scandal at Subway. You may have heard about this one. It turns out some of their famous footlong sandwiches have been coming in a bit short. And that, perhaps not surprisingly, has now led to a lawsuit on behalf of all the aggrieved Subway patrons in the good state of New Jersey. ABC's John Mueller has the story.
From the court of public opinion,
I think size matters,
to the courtroom, a new proposed class action lawsuit is now accusing Subway of deceptive advertising.
Any regular footlong.
The worldwide viral controversy started with a quirky Facebook photo posted in Australia showing a Subway footlong coming up short at only 11 inches. This morning, two New Jersey men are now aiming to take the world's biggest fast food chain to court, saying short sandwiches are leaving them shortchanged.
When you add this up over time, that comes out to be anywhere between 45 cents to 60 cents a sandwich over a course of 6 years.
The suit filed under the New Jersey Consumer Fraud Act alleges it's a deceptive practice for Subway to advertise its large sandwich as a footlong. When we questioned Subway's head baker, he told ABC News,
if they're following the baking procedures, they should get this 12 inches out of the oven every single time.
But the lawyers in the potential class action suit say they had sandwiches from 17 New Jersey shops measured, and every one had about a bite's worth missing.
People may say this case is only about 1 inch and that it may be frivolous, but companies should deliver what they promise.
We bought 6 Subway footlongs of our own from 3 different Subways in New York City. 3 hot footlongs, 3 cold. So, how did they measure up? Perfectly. All 6 footlongs were in fact 12 inches long. One of them, the meatball sub, was actually a tad longer than 12 inches.
All right, Subway says they don't comment on pending litigation. Everybody's laughing in here. One plaintiff says he's eaten Subway footlongs 2 to 3 times a week for the last 6 years. It adds up to about $600 in damages. Considering they have 38,000 stores worldwide, there's a lot of money at stake. It's anything but frivolous, guys.
I guess so, but anything you can say on this story can and will be used against
Right.
you.
You better believe it. You better believe it. I'm still employed.
Just think about how many calories he saved. That's how I look at it.
That's one way to look at it.
When I'm doing carpentry, I use a sub sandwich as my ruler. And this explains why nothing in my house is square.
So you can sue Subway as well.